Find or read reviews that people are talking about TRAVOR magnetic Bluetooth speaker. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Engineered as gear, not just a speaker, as an all-aluminum magnetic Bluetooth speaker, TRAVOR sets a new standard for outdoor audio equipment. While ordinary portable Bluetooth speakers struggle with rugged use. By combining a rugged wireless speaker design with structural metal strength, TRAVOR solves the challenges of rugged terrain and extreme weather, and extends multiple outdoor functions in a single, reliable device. This is not a mini speaker, built as field-ready gear. Extreme durability for any environment, TRAVOR weighs 3.09 pounds, housing a CNC machined aluminum body with a reinforced internal frame. This rugged outdoor speaker replaces fragile plastic with future-forward metal construction, ensuring every gram contributes to real durability. The result is a compact yet solid wireless speaker with a reassuringly sturdy feel and hand-built for overlanding expeditions, campsites, and outdoor job sites. Snap. Mount. Play. Total placement freedom, featuring a powerful magnetic mount. This portable magnetic speaker instantly attaches to golf carts, grills, and other ferrous surfaces. When space is limited, snap it onto a RV fridge or metal panel to free up your table while keeping music or audiobooks within reach. From cooking in the kitchen to barbecue, picnics, and cookouts, TRAVOR adapts easily to both indoor and outdoor moments. IP68 waterproof and dust-proof, ready for the elements. Built to handle rain, mud, and full submersion, this IP68 waterproof speaker is made for real outdoor conditions. Its solid weight and anti-slip silicone base keep the portable Bluetooth speaker stable on wet or uneven surfaces. Ideal as a shower speaker for bathrooms, the durable metal body rinses clean easily after sand, dust, or splashes, perfect for fishing, riverbanks, and beach days. Bold sound, tuned for indoors and outdoors. The TRAVOR Hi-Fi speaker features a 3-driver acoustic architecture designed for clarity beyond typical portable speakers. A hard dome tweeter delivers crisp highs, an aluminum magnesium mid-range driver provides balanced detail, and a passive radiator reinforces deep, controlled bass. Bass up mode can be activated outdoors for boosted volume and bass that remains clear even in open air. Power, light, and relaxation in one device. TRAVOR's 25-hour battery keeps the music going even when outlets are nowhere in sight. Multi-mode LED lighting adds ambient illumination, adjustable atmosphere, and SOS signaling for outdoor safety. Built-in sleep sounds help meditation create a calm environment during long trips, overlanding adventures, or remote campsite stays. TRAVOR easily connects to phones, TVs, laptops, and tablets for music, movies, and podcasts. Pair two speakers via TWS or True Wireless Stereo to achieve left-right channel separation and wider stereo sound for home movie night. With AURACAST connectivity, you can link multiple TRAVOR speakers simultaneously for large backyard gatherings, parties, or multi-room setups. More speakers, more memorable moments. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.